Welcome students, I am Mrs. Dina Singh, back with a new video based on chapter number 2, addition. Now we'll see the exercise 2.1, that is addition. Here places are given and as per the places we are going to add. Okay, 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 3, 8, 7 plus 1, 8, 0 plus 8, again 8, 4 plus 5, 9. Then we'll see the second sum. Now here 3 digits are there, 3 numbers are there children. So 9 plus 7, okay. After 9 count 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. After 16, 4, 17, 18, 19, 20. So 0 and 2 carry here. Then 7 plus 4, 11, 11 plus 2, 12, 13. 3 carry 1. 6 plus 3, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Then here 8 and this if you add 8. So 8 plus 8, 16, 16 plus 1, 17. Then 6 plus 5, 11, 12, 13. And 2 plus 1, 3. So in this way you can do the addition. Now we'll see the second question, that is arrange the following and add. Okay, this is given in the horizontal way. First, arrange means you have to arrange in the vertical way. Okay, so for this you will write this number. Then start writing from the right and move to the left. 5, 2, 7, 3, 2. Then add. Okay, now 5 plus 1, 6. 8 plus 2, 10. Again 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. 7 plus 2, 9. So you will get this answer. Here also in next sum we'll see the numbers are given in the horizontal. First arrange it in the vertical way. We'll write here, put addition sign, start writing from the right and we'll move to the left. Okay, then after that add 7 plus 1, 8, 8 plus 6, 14, 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 1, 11, 5 plus 1, 6, 3 plus 1, 4. After writing you can put the comma, that is after 3 digit you can put as per the Indian system. Now we'll see the C sum. Arrange in the proper order, that is in the vertical way. First we'll arrange in the vertical way. The question is given in the form of horizontal way. So start writing from the right and move to the left. After writing then add 7 plus 2, 9, 7 plus 4, 11, 6 plus 4, 10, plus 1, 11, 7 plus 4, 11, 1, 12, 6 plus 1, 7. Then you can place the comma as per the Indian system, that is 3 to 2. Here also we'll see one more sum. 2, 6, 5, 7, 7. Add. Start writing from the right and move to the left. Okay. Then add. 7 plus 1, 8. 7 plus 1, 8. 9 plus 5, 14. 6 plus 6, 12. Plus 1, 13. 7 plus 2, 9 and plus 1, 10. So you got this answer and put the comma as per the Indian system. Now we'll see exercise 2.2. Fill in the blanks using the properties of addition. This is the property of addition. Okay. So how Again 9 plus 1, 10. 9 plus 1, 10. 2 plus 1, 3 and 7. So, you can copy this in the fill in the blank which is given. So, in this way you can solve fill in the blanks. Now, in question number 2, add and compare the sum. Okay, what does compare means? Compare means you have to insert the greater, smaller and equal to sign. Okay, in compare you will insert greater and equal to sign. Clear? So here two parts are given. So LHS and RHS, like this you are going to solve. So first we'll solve this part, then this part and then we'll compare. So 2, 2, 4, 5, 0. And same way as we were doing the simple addition that we are going to do, we'll start writing the number from right and we'll move to left. Then add. 0 plus 5, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 4 plus 2, 6. 2 plus 7, 9. 2 plus 6, 8. And then 5. Okay. Here also we are going to solve. That is 5, 6, 7. 2, 2, 5. Add 0, 5, 4, 2, 2. Then we are going to add. Okay. When you add this answer you got. Now you see both the answer you have to compare. 5, 8, 9, 5, 8, 9, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7, 5. Both are same. That means LHS equal to RHS. So here we will put equal to sign. Here also we will put equal to sign. Now let's see exercise 2.2. Second question, add and compare V sum. Okay, method will be same. First we'll write the number, then put addition sign and then write the next number from the right and move to the left. Okay, then add. 4 plus 4, 8. 5 plus 6, 11. 6 plus 3, 9 plus 1, 10. Then 7 plus 4, 11. 11 plus 1, 12. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. Okay. Now here also we are going to do the same thing. Add. Start writing from the right. Move to the left. Then add. 4 plus 4, 8. 6 plus 5, 11. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 8. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. So in this way you have written the addition. Now see which is greater. Again you see both are same. So after adding you can see that is compared. So it is equal to sum. Now we'll see here addition. Here there are 3 numbers. So we'll add 3 numbers and then we'll compare. So here you see 9 plus 6. 9 plus 6, 15. Then count 8, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. So you write here 3 and 2 here. Okay. Then you have here, see 8 plus 5, 13, 13 plus 7, 20, 20 plus 2, 22. Okay. Then we have 6 plus 6, 12. Then 13, 14, 15, plus 1 total 3. So this is the total kg vegetables sold. Now we'll see in exercise 2.4 that is estimate the sum nearest to 10 and compare with the actual sum. So here this is the question and I have written actual sum and I have to find the estimated sum also. Now you see children, actual sum means how we solve addition, same way you have to solve. Okay, 9 plus 4 13, carry 1, 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 1 8. Okay, this is actual sum. Now for estimate, what you have to do, round up nearest to 10. What you have to do for 10, how many zeros in 10? 1. So you write here 59 if you write, if you have to estimate 1, you write here 0. Now see the circle digit, which is more than or less than 5, it is more than 5. So what will happen, the outside number you have to add 1. So if you add 1 to 5, it will become 6. Clear? For the second sum also, if you see here, we'll round, circle 1 digit and you see here the circle digit is less than 5. If it is less than 5, what you have to do? You have to write the outside number as it is. Okay? So then after that you will add. So this is the answer after estimate. Now here for second sum also, make it clear now. Again you will carry out simple addition. 9 plus 4, 13. 13, then 1 plus 1, 2, 7 plus 3, 10. Okay? Now when you have to estimate the number, what you have to do is, again, we have to round up nearest to 10. So 1 digit you will circle. We will put here 0. Now see, the circle digit is less than 5. So outside number will come as it is. Here circle digit is more than 5. So outside number you have to add 1. 70 plus 1, 71. When you add, what you will get here? 1020. So this is the estimation and actual sum. Now we'll see in second, estimate the sum nearest to 100. Okay? And compare with actual sum. Here we have to estimate nearest to 100. Last question we have estimated nearest to 10. Okay, so actual sum will carry as it is, as you carry addition. 7 plus 2 9, 7 plus 3 10, carry 1, 2 plus 2 4 and 1 5. This is actual. Now estimation, what you have to do, you have to say 100. So in 100 how many zeros are there? 2. So circle 2 digit. Okay, then in place of this 2 you write here 2 zeros. Then see the first digit in the circle. It is more than 5. So what will happen to 2? You have to add 1, 2 will become 3. Same here, you will add 2 zeros and then you see the circle digit, first one, it is 3 which is less than 5. So 2 will be as it is. Both you will add. When you add, what you will get? 500. This is the estimated sum. Now we will see the second question, then it will be more clear to you children. Actual sum, add 8 plus 2, 10, carry 1, 8 plus 1, 9, 9 plus 1, 10, then 6 plus 5, 11, 11 plus 1, 12, 1 plus 1, 2. Okay, now go for estimated part. Here 100, so again you will circle 2 digit. In both the numbers, add 2 zeros. Okay, then you see the circle digit first number, it is 8, more than 5. So add 1 to 15. 15 will become 16. Again here you will put 2 zeros. First number which has been circled, that is 1 which is less than 5. So outside number will come as it is. After that you have to add. Okay, 6 plus 6, 12. here is to 10. Estimate the sum here is to 100. Do this in the rough copy. Okay.